tour and we can see what's inside our room. Are you ready? Let's go. Here's our big apartment. This is a TV stand complete with TV and everything on it. Here's a mirror and wardrobe. We don't know what's inside. Here's a bathroom door. We'll see what is inside. Wow, so neat. Complete with a shower and other stuff on a clean shelf. You wonder where's my room? Come on. First, here is all of our stuff that we have. Here's a sofa. And here is my room. Complete with only a bed and a pillow. And you might be thinking, there's not only one, not two, but 3 lamps so I can read at night. Look outside on the view. There's also a curtain you can see outside. What a wonderful view. And look, there's also a painting on the wall. This is how our